If you are a commercial photographer and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services, you've definitely come to the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to build a simple website for your commercial photographer business. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. We pretty much have built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. And we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's head to the top and search for our market, commercial photographer. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Excellent. Let's Mighty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, your city, and your state or region. Doesn't matter where you are operating from, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We literally have customers from all around the world. Once you click on continue, Mighty Sites will work its magic and create a simple website for your business and automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website. However, for now, I'm going to close that off because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you. This is just a guideline. Of course, we've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and they're completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing images of your services. After all, you are a photographer. You'd like to showcase your work on your website. Maybe you want to make one or two amendments to this content. Perhaps you don't offer all these services. You want to change it up a bit. You can absolutely do so. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding, be a web professional in any kind of way. And you certainly don't need to hire a professional to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. Let me show you around the platform. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that's visible for my customers to see. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Phone number, that is click to call. And physical location, maybe you don't want to put a physical location. You can leave it off if you like. And if you do put in a physical location when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath update social links, pop in the various social media platforms your business is active on. The icons for the social channels will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of the website. Now, if you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. Once it's been uploaded, you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames by clicking on that little pencil. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can customize your logo, resize it, make your logo bigger and smaller to fit into that section a bit better. To change the colors used throughout your Mighty Sites website, you don't need to know color coding. Click on that little paint bucket, bottom right-hand corner. Go through the various color palette options to choose from. There are so many options. Very spoiled for choice here. For each section you would like to make a bit more personalized to your own business, all you need to do is click on that update section button. Head on over to update image. This is where you could browse your device, or you can search through that photo library. We've got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram accounts and pull in those photos if you have a business profile. Now, if you have the call to in the next section, the update action, the call to action buttons over here, you can change the text on that buttons and where they link to. You can even upload a PDF file. Maybe you take online bookings. You can put the third party online booking system URL over here as well. Awesome. In the last section at the bottom over here is where you can update your hours, maybe that you work, and your location, as well as change the design for each section, make it a bit more personalized to suit your needs. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, you can connect it by clicking on that yellow button at the bottom. If you don't have a custom domain yet, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You can actually purchase a custom domain via the Mighty Sites platform as well. I really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website on the Mighty Sites platform, and I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.